Ryan hated English. Not a little, not sometimes. He hated it. Every time the teacher said, "Open your English books," Ryan felt tired, angry, embarrassed, because Ryan always failed. He was not lazy. He studied, he memorized words, he did grammar exercises, but when the test came, red marks everywhere. 63%, 52%, 48%. One day, 39%. His classmates laughed, not loudly, but quietly. That was worse. Ryan thought, I am just bad at English. Maybe I'm not smart. English is impossible. One afternoon, the teacher called his name. Ryan, read the first paragraph. His heart started beating fast. Boom, boom, boom. He looked at the page. The words were simple, but his mouth felt heavy. He started reading. He made a mistake. Someone giggled. He stopped. "I'm sorry," he said. That day, he went home and threw his English book on the floor. "I hate English." That night, he heard a voice from the next room, his little sister. "Hello, how are you? My name is Emma. Nice to meet you." She was practicing English alone. She made mistakes, but she kept smiling. Ryan asked her, "Why are you practicing? You're not good at English." She smiled and said, "I'm not good yet." Yet. That word changed something. The next day, Ryan stood in front of a mirror. "Hello, my name is Ryan." It felt silly. He tried again and again. 5 minutes, that's all. 5 minutes every day. No pressure, no test, just speaking. 2 weeks later, he gave a short presentation. His hands were shaking. His voice was not strong, but he didn't stop. When he finished, the class clapped, not because he was perfect, but because he was brave. Weeks passed. His next test score, 72%. Not amazing, but not 39. He smiled at the paper. He continued the 5-minute habit. Then came college. New city, new people, bigger classrooms. One day he had a 10-minute presentation. The fear returned. You're not ready. You'll fail. But he practiced. Mirror, recording, improving. Presentation day arrived. He forgot a word. Paused, smiled. "Sorry, I forgot the word. Let me explain it another way." And he did. After class, his professor said, "You improved a lot." Improved. That word meant everything. Then came the interview. Big office, glass doors, formal suit, sweaty hands. "Tell us about yourself." He spoke slowly, clearly, not perfectly. He forgot one word. He explained it differently. The interviewers nodded. 3 days later, the phone rang. "We would like to offer you the position." Years ago, he said, "I hate English." Now, English opened a door. Not because he was the best, but because he didn't quit. Months later, a new intern joined his company. Quiet, nervous, always apologizing. "Sorry for my English." Ryan smiled. "I used to hate English too." The intern looked shocked. What changed? Ryan said, "One word. Yet. Not good yet. Not confident yet. Not fluent yet." He gave the intern small challenges. One question in a meeting. One slide in a presentation. One brave moment at a time. The intern improved, just like Ryan did. One day, Ryan visited his old school. He stood in the same classroom where he once felt small. He said to the students, "You don't need perfect English. You need brave English. If you feel behind, that's okay. If you feel scared, that's okay. Just don't quit." A student walked up to him after the talk. "Sir, I'm not good at English." Ryan smiled gently. "Not good," he corrected softly. "Not good yet." Ryan once thought English was his biggest weakness, but it became his greatest strength, because English was never just about language. It was about courage. It was about standing up when your voice shakes. It was about saying one more sentence, trying one more time. 5 minutes a day, one mistake at a time. Maybe you are at the beginning. Maybe you still feel embarrassed. Maybe you still compare yourself to others. That's okay. Every confident speaker was once a nervous beginner. Every fluent person once said, "Hello, my name is." So stand in front of your mirror, say one sentence, make one mistake, try again. You are not bad. You are not stupid. You are not behind. You are learning. Not confident, not fluent, not perfect yet. And that is where every success story begins.